I think the biggest ones that we like, we really look at all the data because we want to know like what amount of customers are actually seeing this and clicking and engaging. AOV is like the biggest, best result that we have seen since we've implemented this, which has been amazing, but also tracking our conversion rate across the bar. So, normally like conversion rates are pretty slow, but we're able to see like a solid like 5 to 10%, which is quite a range of our conversion rate. And add to cart rate is actually up, which is amazing. And then overall, that does drive revenue up too. But on average, I'd say our add to cart rate sits around 11% just from adding to cart with interaction with because. So I would say that that's a big, without having the because banners, customers are just automatically being influenced to add to cart based on their preference. Now they're being kind of guided with every kind of because touch point, which is driving up our add to cart percentage. We mainly tracked like our conversion rate. So that's the best way to show the growth. But overall, with like these smaller percent, like quiz results, for example, seeing, in the past 30 days that X amount of people have viewed quiz results and 13, 12, 11% of the customers who have viewed that bar have added to cart is such a great like percentage of our customers to show that they're actually engaging and reading that content. And then it also shows that the quizzes are performing very well and customers want that curated content too.